What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ALT because this coin was just launched on Binance and other exchanges. So if you are interested about my thoughts on this coin and about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under your video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. First of all, I want to say that opening a trading position on altcoin like this is really risky. So before you enter any trade, you need to have proper risk management, and me personally on altcoin like this, I wouldn't risk more than 1% from my trading capital. Let's start today on the 15-minute chart, and this will be probably the only time frame that I will show you in this video because, as I said, this coin was just launched on Binance, so yeah, we don't have here that much historical data, but still we are forming here right now this ascending triangle, which is a bullish setup. So in case of breakout and support confirmation, I think that there can be a really good opportunity to open here a long position. Of course, this is like a new altcoin, and also this is like a 15-minute time frame, so let's say if you want, you don't have to wait for the support confirmation, because there is, let's say, pretty high probability that this coin will just pump up, but in my opinion it will be safer to wait actually for that support confirmation. But anyway, the exact trade can look, for example, like this stop loss. You can put somewhere back to this ascending triangle, because if there will be like a breakdown again, there will be a really high probability that the breakout was just a fake out, so you don't want to, let's say, hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And as your last take profit target, well, me personally, I would say I would set risk reward ratio around 10, because historically we don't have here, let's say, any important liquidity that we can use as a take profit targets. So for example, some of the profits you can take on the risk reward ratio 2, then 4, then 8, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So if you will, let's say, take like 4 take profit targets, and every time you will, for example, move your stop loss to entry, or if you will, let's say, take profit on the risk reward ratio 4, then you will move your stop loss to a risk reward ratio 2, then I think that the, let's say, whole risk reward ratio for this trade can be, let's say, around 6-7, something like that, which is in my opinion pretty good for like a trade on a 15-minute chart. Another opportunity that we can take here will be valid in case of testing this support of this ascending triangle, because as I said, this is still a bullish setup, so we can also speculate for, let's say, pump from this support line. To open here a long position, I want to see here first of all a breakdown, fake out, and then support confirmation. And the fake out here is really important if you want to set, let's say, proper stop loss. So if the market will do, let's say, for example, something like this, then you need to put your stop loss under the low that we will create during the dump, because it will, in my opinion, give you the best stop loss, and also it will give you really good risk reward ratio. The last take profit target can remain the same, so again, we can speculate on risk reward ratio 10, but in this case, some of the profits definitely take under this resistance of this ascending triangle, because there is pretty high probability that the market can do, let's say, for example, something like this, and like here it can be a pump, but also it can be a dump. So yeah, you don't want to speculate without taking any of the profits. And then again, some of the profits you can, for example, take here, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So again, the risk reward ratio will be around 6-7, which is, in my opinion, really good. And the last possible setup that I will show you in this video will be a short trade. So if you are looking for a short opportunity, I am actually watching here 2 opportunities to open that short trade. The first short scenario will be valid in case of breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation. This scenario will be pretty similar like the previous long one, so stop loss you need to put above the high that we will create during a fake out. Here is really important to wait for that resistance confirmation, and without that I'm not recommending to open this short trade. And the last take profit target you can, for example, place somewhere above this like previous slow, but definitely some of the profits take in this ascending triangle, then some of the profits take above this week high, which is on the level 0.301, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So the first short scenario will give you risk reward ratio like 7.75, which is not bad, and if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be around 4, something like that. And the second long scenario will be valid in case of breakdown here and resistance confirmation. This second short scenario is, in my opinion, more risky, but it's like, in my opinion, also an option. So again, stop loss somewhere back to this ascending triangle. But here we don't have that good stop loss because we like don't have here any like previous fake out, and the last take profit target again can remain the same, which will give you risk reward ratio like 3.8. And if you will take some of the profits here, then the risk reward ratio will be around 2.2, something like that, which is actually not that great. So if you want to take here some short trade, I think that the best possible option will be wait for that breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. Again, I need to repeat that opening a trading position on like a 15-minute time frame is really risky. So do not use like higher percentage of your trading capital. And me personally, if I will be taking here any trade, I am not gonna be risking more than 1%. Probably I will be risking like 0.5%, yeah, something like that. But anyway, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.